Most people in the US haven't heard of this yet, and that's exactly why it stands out. There's a crypto-powered platform called WEFI that's already operating internationally, and it's now preparing to roll out major features for the US market. What WEFI focuses on isn't hype, it's utility. Real-world crypto use cases like payments, cards, and an ecosystem designed to connect digital assets with everyday financial activity. Instead of pushing speculation, the emphasis is on infrastructure, the behind-the-scenes systems that allow crypto to function at scale. One important detail worth noting: individuals with experience building stablecoin infrastructure at the highest levels have been publicly linked to this project, which adds credibility from a technology standpoint. This isn't financial advice, and everyone should do their own research. But if you pay attention to emerging Fintech before it becomes mainstream, WEFI is a platform worth understanding. Follow for updates. This space is evolving quickly,